Dear mother, do you know that you can make cough and catarrh syrup from the comfort of your home? This is how to do it. First, please like, comment and share this video so that other people too can learn how to do that. Slice your onions and mix with original onion. Make sure your onion is sliced in a circular shape in this form. Ensure that the onion is sliced in a circular pattern. Then you're going to mix it together with your original onion. Allow it to stay for 4 hours. After 4 hours, then you can give it to your baby to take. That is it.